All right, I am going to do a quick video on how you are going to be getting feedback on your assignments during distance learning through Schoology. So one way you can do it is you can go into your Schoology app, okay, and then you would go into the course that you want. So in this case, I'm going to go into an algebra course, and I'm going to go into grades, and then I'm going to look at that practice section, and you will see here in that gray box where it says check your assignment for feedback. Now there might be feedback actually here, like some sort of comment like, hey, make sure you're remembering this, or incorrect submission, those types of things. So there might be feedback actually in that gray box for you to read. If, however, we want to give you more specific feedback on your assignment with sticky notes, you'll see a comment that says check your assignment for feedback. Now, this is the downfall of the app. On the app, I can't get into my assignment directly, so I'm going to have to go back into my materials and know which assignment the comment was made on. So this one was from Monday, April 13th. I would go into the assignment, go into my submission, open that up, and then I can go down and you'll see these little yellow boxes right on your assignment, or you might see some sort of writing or annotation or a voice note. If I click on the yellow sticky, you can actually see the feedback that I received. So like here, be careful, there should only be one y-intercept for each set of coordinate pairs. And each sticky note is going to have its own comment. All right, so, and you can take that feedback and use that as you're going through. So like here, I know that I should go back and do some review of coordinate pairs and tables before we move on to the next assignment. So that's how you can check it directly from the Schoology app. But like I said, that downfall is in the grades section. You can't necessarily get right into the assignment. The other way that you can do it is actually going in through a web browser like Safari, logging into your Schoology, and then using the web browser as your home base. So if I go once again into courses, I'm going to go into that same algebra class. But now when I go into grades, once again I can see that assignment. It says check your assignment for feedback. But here I can actually click or choose the assignment directly, and I can look and then open it up right from there and be able to see that same feedback right here. And here I actually don't even have to click on the sticky notes because they're right there. So you can look and click on the sticky notes and it'll pair it to the feedback that was given. Sometimes there'll be some notes over here in the submission activity. You could write a note back to your teacher, but just be aware that there isn't any sort of notification that goes back and forth between you and your teacher if you happen to type a comment there, or if your teacher happens to type a comment there. So while it's a good place to have a conversation, unless you're actively checking it, I wouldn't use it a ton. So if you have any questions, let us know, but you can either go in through the web browser or you can check through Schoology itself. But make sure that you are checking for your feedback on a regular basis since we aren't actually in class.